Hello everyone, this is Mr. Swapnil Babusai Bherwade, lecturer in Student Staff Technology Polytechnic Yatra, Vichar in Mechanical Engineering Department. Okay, so I am here again with the new lecture, or we will again cover the multiple choice question as we have covered 35 questions in last lecture. So we will continue with that. Okay, just we will take an overview of our syllabus. Okay, so on this third chapter, that is directing and controlling at supervisory level, in theoretical way we have covered the four lectures on it. Okay, so the first lecture is directing at supervisory level. In that we have covered the needs of direction and instructions to subordinates and completeness and feasibilities of the instruction. Then second lecture we have covered, that is personal counseling. In that we have covered advanced prediction of possible mistakes, elaborating the directions of the decisions and laying the disciplinary standards in overall making or the working. Okay, next we have covered the third lecture, that is managerial control. In that we have 2 points, that is first managerial control, undertaking team and link between the various departments in respect of process and quality standards, and second point is steps in control process. And fourth chapter we have covered, that is controlling. In that we have covered some few points like controlling methods, control over the performance in respect of quality, quantity of production, time and cost, measuring performance and comparing with standards, correcting unfavorable deviation. This is what we have covered in third lecture in a theoretical way. In the last lecture we have covered some MCQs. Up to I think we have covered 35 MCQs, and we will continue with it in this lecture. Okay, so now question number 36. For effective controlling by supervisor, essential parameters are, we have four options. First, timely and for forward looking. Second, flexible. Third, comprehensive. And fourth, above all. As we know, supervisor must be a dynamic one. Okay, so he must pursue some good properties, or some it must have some comprehensive properties. So he should be a timely and forward looking, means he's the supervisor. He is someone who will always go for the forecasting of the production of the material, so it is timely and forward looking. Second, supervisor must be flexible. He can control the situation, or he can supervise the situation as per the requirement. And he should be a comprehensive one, means he should think in all direction and then he will give his decision. So the answer will be D. For effective controlling by supervisor, essential parameters are all of the above. So option D will be correct. Okay, next question number 37. First, controlling should never be flexible, and two, objectives of control should be clear. And then we have four options. A, only one is correct. B, only two correct. Then C, both correct. D, both wrong. As we know, in controlling, the supervisor must be flexible, because we never know what condition will occur, and as per that condition we will flex ourselves. Okay, so the controlling should be a flexible. What written here, it never be flexible. So first line is wrong. So we have only two options, that is only two is correct or both are wrong. See, objective of control should be clear. This is a correct line. So the option will be only 2 is correct. Okay. Then question number 38. The benefit obtained from a control system should be dot 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 than the cost involved in implementing it. Okay. We have four options. First, more. Second, less. Third, equal. Fourth, none of these. Okay. See, as it is a company is only established or found to have a profit. So in company also we implement something to get a good profit. So we always implement to get a profit. So the benefit obtained from control system should be more than cost involved in implementing it. If we get something less, what is the use of it? If we get equal, then where is the profit? So company always implement everything to get a profit in the future. So the benefit obtained from a control system should be more than the cost involved in implementing it. So option A will be correct. Next, question number 39. First line, control system should be periodically reviewed, and second line, control system should be flexible. Okay, we have four options. A, only one is correct. B, only two correct. C, both are correct. D, both are wrong. Okay, see, we have two lines. First, control system should be periodically reviewed. It is correct. Control system should be periodically reviewed. Periods may be of 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, for a month, for a 6 months. Okay, so control system should be periodically reviewed so that you have control on your subordinates, control on production, control on process, everything. Okay, so first line is correct. Then control system should be flexible. It is right. You must change your control system as per the requirement of the company, as per the condition of the company, or as per the process. Okay, so both lines are correct. So we have option C, that is both are correct. Okay, next. Question number 40. Too many controls workers. We have four options. It will motivate the workers. It will assist the worker. It will irritate the worker. It will benefit the worker. It is a simple question. If I replace control by the lecture, what will be the answer? First, what will be the question? Too many lectures will student. So everyone know the answer, that it will somewhat irritate the student. Okay, so same is here. Okay, so too many controls irritate the workers, right? So question is a simple one. Next, question number 41. Why workers do resistance to managerial control? We have four options. First, too many controls. B, incomplete measurements. C, unreasonable standards. And D, all of the above. See, workers in the company, or we can say as a subordinates, have some resistance to the manager control because some of them think that too many controls are there. Some of them think that it is incomplete measurement, means the workers are giving input by other way and companies measuring their input by any other system. Okay, so it is incomplete measurement, and something that there is a unreasonable standards. So all these three options A, B, C are correct, so that workers do the resistance to the managerial controls. The question option D will be correct. Next, question number 42. Employees always dislike controls because we have four options. They don't want controls. B, they want to control the management. C, controls are too many, incomplete in nature, unreasonable, and disclose unpleasant facts. And D, none of the above. See, first option, they don't want controls because they cannot simply say that we don't want the controls. They must have some controls. Okay, next, they want to control management. This may happen, but this will be in their mind only. Okay, see, controls are too many, incomplete in nature, unreasonable, disclose unpleasant facts. See, workers are having some different features, diverse conditions, diverse in nature. So they may think that the controls are too many, incomplete in nature. It may be unreasonable. It may disclose their unpleasant facts. So C is the correct option. So that employees dislike the controls because controls are too many, incomplete in nature, unreasonable, and disclose unpleasant facts. Option C will be correct. Next, question number 43. Which is not the control technique? As we have studied, there are so many control techniques. I think there are 7 control techniques: past, future, market control, clan control, then old technique, new technique, all this way. Okay, so we have 4 options: past oriented and future oriented. B, market control. C, production control. D, clan control. Okay, as we have studied this, just we know A is there, B is there, and D is there. There is no such thing like production control. Production is a process, it is not a control technique. Okay, so C will be the correct answer. That is, production control is not the control technique. It is just a process. Okay. Next, question number 44. Inspection of job is. We have 4 options. It is a past control. B, future control. C, clan control. And D, new control. See, inspection of job is after, it is a process which is done after the completion of job. Means all the process on a raw material is completed after completion of all the processes, and then we inspect the job, means it is past control. Okay, so the option A is correct. Next, fund flow analysis is what type of control? We have four options: past control, B future control, C clan control, D old control. Fund flow analysis means it is a part of, we can say, a budget, or we can say a forecasting. Okay, so it is always think about the future, always think about the future. Okay, so it is future control. 45, the option B is correct. Next, we have 46 question. Prices of product are due to which control? Prices of product are due to which control? We have four options: past control, future control, market control, and clan control. See, price of the product is always depend on the market situation. How are the customers? What the customers have? Okay, so price of the product are the control within a market control. Okay, so the option C is correct. Next, 47. Dot 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 is established by generating trust, tradition, and shared belief. We have four options: past control, future control, market control, and clan control. See, the options are so easy. Past control is with the inspection of job, future control with the flow of cost, market control with the prices, and just with the trust, tradition, and share we have the clan control. Okay, so the option D is correct, that is clan control. Okay, next, question number 48. Controls due to government rules are, we have four options: past, future, market, and bureaucratic. As we know, bureaucratic or bureaucrats means the government officers. Okay, so the option D is correct, that controls due to the government rules are the bureaucratic. Option D is correct. Next, 49 question. Financial and accounting based controls are, financial and accounting based controls are, we have four options: future, old, market, and clan. Option B is correct, that is these are the old controls. Okay, question number 50. Dot 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 provide that information which is not available with the old technique. Means it is something new in the market. It is a new information. So it is a new control. Right? So new control provide that information which is not available with the old technique. So option B will be correct. Okay. So next, question number 51. Which are needs of direction by supervisor? Which are needs of direction by supervisor? We have covered this point. Okay, so we have four options: harmony of objective, B direct supervision, C unity of command. First option, harmony of objective, means the goal of the worker, it should be in line with the goal of the industry or the company, so that he can work well with a good efficiency, with a good rate. Okay, with a good goal, with a set goals. Okay, this is a harmony of objective. Then direct supervision, it is a need. Unity of command, it is also a need. So all three options are correct. So option D is correct, that supervisor or the direction by supervisor, all three are the needs. Okay, next, question number 52. In giving directions, when supervisor says goal of worker and organization are same, what is it? We have four options. First, unity of command, B harmony of objective, C direct supervision, and D follow through. What it will be? It will be harmony of objective. Goal of worker and organization are same, means the goal of the worker and organization will be in line. What the worker think, the same will be of think of the management. Okay, so this is harmony of objective. Next, question number 53. We have two lines. First line, direction should not be face to face. In second line, there should be a unity of command in direction. Okay, so direction should not be face to face, it is there. it should be like direction should be face to face. So option 1 is incorrect. Okay, next we have option 2 or the sentence 2. There should be a unity of command in direction. It is correct one. Okay, so option B is correct, that is only 2 is correct. Next we have question number 54. Supervisor gives direction, checks their performances and help the workers. This is called we have four things: unity of command, follow through, harmony of objective and efficient communication. See, supervisor first give the direction. After giving that direction, he will check the performance of the worker, and he is not performing well at that time also, then he is again helping the worker. I mean, this is something like a loop system. First point is giving direction, second checking performance, again anything happen there, then again he will help the worker. It is a loop, or we can taking the follow through, or the so supervisor will take the follow through. So option B is correct, that is follow through. Okay, next question 55. Face to face suggestions are, we have four options: more effective, less effective, not necessary and avoided. As we know, face to face suggestions are always more effective. Option A is correct. Next 56. Question number 56. We have two sentences. First, order should be clear and complete, and second, order should be non-compatible. We have four options. Only one is correct, only two is correct, both are correct and both are wrong. We see first sentence, order should be clear and complete, it is correct. Second, order should be non-compatible, it is incorrect. Order should be compatible. Compatible means it is suitable to be used together. So sentence 2 is incorrect, sentence 1 is correct. So answer will be A, that is only one is correct. Okay, next question 57. When instructions are in written form, first line, subject is important, 2, details are not valid. Okay, in that first sentence is correct. Okay, I think the question is half on. We will move to the next question number 58. Match the pairs. Match the pairs. We have on left side we have four options, on right side we have also four options. Okay, in left side we have first harmony of objects, second force, third paternalism, four bargain, and here in right side we have A, do what I say or otherwise, B, do what I say because I am good to you, C, you do as I say, and D, if we perform together each will be benefited. Okay, so see, as I said earlier, the goal of the worker should be in line with the company. So harmony is linking a goal. So for from this A B C D, I think D is with the question number 1, that is harmony of object is, if we perform together each will be benefited. So 1 is with the D. So only two options are there, A and B. So cross the C and D. Just only two are remain, 1 and A and B. C. Again in that options we have 2 is with A in both the, okay, so force is will be do what I say or otherwise. So just the confusion between 3 and 4, it is B or C. See, paternalism means do what I say because I am good to you, it is nothing but a paternalism. Okay, and bargain means it is you do as I say. So option A will be correct, that is 1D, 2A, 3B and 4C. Okay, next question number 59. Do what I say or otherwise, it is ... instruction. We have four options: force, paternalism, bargain and harmony. What should be? We have seen in the last question only. Do what I say or otherwise is ... instruction. This is a force instruction. Okay, Next, do what I say because I am good to you is dot dot or instruction. It is a paternalism instruction. That is option B is correct. Okay. Next question number 61. You do as I say is dot dot instruction. We have four options: force, paternalism, bargain, and harmony. Question answer will be option C. That is bargain. 62. If we perform together, each will achieve his goal is dot 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 instruction. We have four options: force, paternalism, bargain, and harmony of objective. So it is again same. The goal of worker, it is in line with the goal of company. So it is D option, that is harmony of objective. Next, question number 63. Good instructions. Good instruction is. We have four options: reasonable, enforceable, clear, and D all. As we know, good instruction must be reasonable, it must be enforceable, it must be clear. So all of the above are correct. Option D is correct. Next, 64. Good instruction is. We have four options: understandable, it should be a complete, it should be appropriate, and D option is all. As we know, good instruction is a which is a understandable, which is a complete one, which is a appropriate one. So option D is correct, that all of the above are correct. Question number 65. Just we have two lines. First, direction starts from the top and goes to bottom. First line. Second, direction is not a continuous process. We have four options. Only one is correct. Only two is correct. Both are correct and both were wrong. Okay. So, sentence first. Direction starts from top and goes to bottom. It is correct because always the direction given by the management and it flows down to the supervisor, to the worker, to the subordinate. So it is top to bottom hierarchy. Okay. Next, direction is not a continuous process, it is a continuous process. So option number 2 is incorrect. So we have option A, that is only one is correct. So the option A is correct. So these are the MCQs what we have covered in the third chapter. So totally we have covered 65 MCQs which will be beneficial to you for your online exam. So thank you one and all.